Hi friends, welcome to Garfin's creation. Today we'll be making potato egg chops. Detailed recipe for it is in the description box below. Here I have taken approximate half a kg, that is 5 medium sized potatoes which are boiled and grated. To these grated potatoes I have added 2 tablespoons chopped coriander leaves, 1 green chilli finely chopped, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon jeera powder, half teaspoon chili powder. Add salt as per your taste, and along with this I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I'll be just mixing all the ingredients together and combine them well. This recipe is very easy and simple to make. It can be made in just a few minutes. This side dish, though simple, it's very tasty. You can also add it just into a pav and eat it just like that. I have finished mixing that, and now here I have boiled around 4 eggs and I have made them into half pieces. Take a portion of the potato mix and squeeze it between your hands so that it is firm enough, and then roll and then flatten it out. To make smaller chops, you can divide a whole egg into 4 pieces. And now place the half slice egg into the center and cover it with the potato mix. This is now ready, and I'll be making the rest of it in the same way. To coat the potato chops, I have taken 1 whole egg and added a pinch of salt. Just beat it lightly and keep it aside. These are homemade breadcrumbs. Roll the chop well into the egg, coat it well, and then we'll coat it with the breadcrumbs. Roll the chop into the breadcrumbs and coat it well too. See that the breadcrumbs stick to the chops. And now these are ready, and be making the rest of it in the same way. Heat sufficient oil in a pan to shallow fry the egg chops. Add the chops into the oil when it is hot, and then reduce the flame to medium and fry them on both sides till they are nice and light brown in color. Flip them over and cook them on the other sides too. This will take around 2 to 3 minutes to get a nice color for the chops. Once they have got a nice golden brown, take them off the heat and place them on a tissue paper. These delicious egg chops are all ready now, and I'll be frying the rest of it in the same way. This is a very simple and easy recipe to follow. Do give it a try. We can always add more oil if required. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe to Garfin's creation. Until we meet again in the next video, take care. Bye-bye.